Hi, my name's Spiro. I own Enigma Hair and Beauty here at Yorkeys Knob and also another one out at Rangery Shopping Centre. I'm just here to talk about the Aquas Group and my salon. Been here for about a year and it's going well, looking after all the locals, want to make the most of it. As for the Aquas Group, I guess we're slightly worried about access through to Yorkeys Knob, making sure that people can still get through and keep the business area growing in Yorkeys Knob. Apart from that, I think it's a good thing altogether. I think it'll be good for the community, all of Cairns as well. So there we go.